Hello folks, welcome to Saving Miller. Unfortunately, we are not immune to the pop culture toys, but the kids are having a lot of fun with them. Finally, the weather has just cooled off and it is amazing. So we are out finally getting some more trees planted. So very good news there. So these are 2 pomegranate trees. And I know Brenda K was one of them. So your tree is in the ground, and we're going to label the other one, and we'll determine whose name goes on that. I can't remember off the top of my head right now. So these trees are going to actually provide us a bit of a visual barrier with the road and the neighbors. The apple tree is down in that space, and so we want to fill up this space here with useful trees, right? So right now these trees provide some shade, but they don't do much more than that. So we want to get some fruit trees in here and make so that we've got we're using this space in a productive way. So let's get this other tree in the ground.
I was tasting a Saving Miller beverage.
Now, I dug these holes a while ago. They've just been kind of here. The ground here is really hard, so it's going to take some wood chips and things like that to take care of these pomegranates a little bit. The apple tree already has the wood chips that it needs, but we're going to build up the soil here, and they're going to be just fine. Pomegranates actually do quite well in this climate with the heat and the relatively dry weather, so they're going to be good. Just to give you folks an idea, so it has rained half an inch since March. We have just not had any rain, and we captured the only rain we had. That was while we were butchering chickens. We got approximately half an inch. That's the only time it's rained since March. So, you know, a lot of people wonder about farming in the desert and a city in the desert and things like that. Well, it just simply takes a lot of water. And this summer there's a lot of commercial landscaping where trees were lost, and I know homeowners lost trees as well. Really a tough summer for plants. And I know people lost animals too, probably. You know, we didn't here. I think we were very fortunate because it was very hot. So these trees are going to be on an automatic watering system. They won't have the advantage of the irrigation in the orchard. We've already got a system in here. I don't know if you saw the ditches, but we put in basically a new zone, and you can actually see the line right there. We're going to hook onto that line and water these trees off of that. So our 2 little people are on their way back. It's been really great. They can play outside every day now, all day long, and they're taking advantage of it. So I gotta go make some labels for these trees. The moon is just coming up there. It's just a beautiful evening. Okay, so I went back and looked, and we have 3 sponsored pomegranate trees actually. So we have Brenda K, and so
I can help you.
we'll do that one. And we have Sam Keller. Thank you, Sam and Brenda. And we have one more for Avalon, And we are going to plant that one back there. I'm going to plant some where the garden is. So they're going to be good trees there. We really like pomegranates. We had a really nice pomegranate tree in California, so we're excited to get these in the ground, and hopefully they'll produce a few next year. I think they most likely will. When we bought one of these, when we bought them, one of them had a fruit on it.
For Brenda. Okay, I'll wrap it around and then you go ahead. Would you like to stick it together? Two ends. There you go.
Right.
Yay, we've got 2 pomegranates in the ground.
Finally.
Bigger one.
This has been a long, slow road to getting trees planted. Like I said in one of our other videos, the best time to plant them was last year, or 10 years ago if you have the opportunity. But we're making progress as fast as we can. So thanks to both Brenda Kay and Sam Keller. Thank you so much. Please do come visit us. Brenda, I think I know who you are. Stop in and say hello if you get a chance. And Sam, you are definitely welcome to come and visit as well. Saving Miller out.